Hey, dude, it pulls. Feels good. Throttle's super smooth. Obviously, ONYX have great brakes, guys. Super strong. Still nice and light. Still nimble. Dude, it'll do it. I love ONYX. These are fun, bro. Snappy little response. Hell yeah. Man, this might be the new bike. This might be the one.
Test drive of the 80 volt, baby. Let's go.
We are at the ONYX booth right now. We're gonna get on an 80 volt, and yeah, it's gonna be my first ride, guys. Pretty stoked. It's looking hella cool. Looking pretty badass. Let's go. Take one of these. Take any? Okay. Same weight or a little heavier?
Same weight, 150 pounds. So to train it up here a second, park is your best friend. Okay. You'll find it right here. It shows the throttle, so look, no throttle.
Oh, wow.
So
nice.
We're gonna start out, this is your mode button.
Okay.
Let me get my glasses on a second. Start on normal and park. Now these are identical hydraulics, so just kind of go for both of them at the same time.
Okay.
So let me get you on a bike.
There's absolutely nothing. There's no chain. There's no nothing. It's just completely silent. It's so weird.
Let me grab one.
Yeah. I haven't thrown an ONYX in so long. Fucking hey, dude, it pulls. Feels good. Throttle's super smooth. Obviously, ONYX have great brakes, guys. Super strong. Still nice and light. Still nimble. Dude, it'll do it.
It's surprisingly fast.
You're such a moron. I've been telling you this forever.
Oh, dude, it's nice. It's zippy. I'm a Reddit sport though. I had to go. It wasn't snappy enough. Oh, good. How much power is it? Oh, shit. Okay. Bro, we pedal.
We're legal with pedals. I love ONYX. These are fun, bro. Snappy little response. Hell yeah.
You don't need these pedals. You
No,
don't need these.
There's a peg kit. There's a peg kit. It's the same pegs as the Surron. Same pegs.
Yeah.
One of the bikes that there's got it.
That is another nice feature.
Did not expect it.
I think this is your first time doing the 80.
Yeah, it's sick, bro.
Yeah.
I love because the ONYX was always cool, that pull from 15 to 40, you know? That's where all the fun is. This is really cool in that zone, dude. It's that
30 horsepower is fucking. You guys haven't tried it. You didn't try it hyper mode and launch all of it.
Yeah,
it's there.
I know. I was like, I don't even need to do it because it's fun to just see what it is in normal. You know what I mean? Like, I obviously know, like, all right, it's just gonna pull a lot harder. That's fun, bro. Yeah, no, it's probably gonna be my new bike, man. Yeah, guys. So ultra smooth, no sound, same as the old ONYX. I could use a little taller seat for sure. That's the only modification I would try to make. But dude, this is sick.